Samolola something testile. Taring on the pair of linear equations in the Chua class 10 gaji, chapter Sumba Vajirwa, na Chokin Sumbati in lesson number 3. And lesson Dinalola on the Ta Yizela Nalea gaji, Tiwatamasuni Keche Chain, Digarelana, reducible formula. Manzuche the pair of linear equation of reducible form chenra. Del Tiwachin Mongo de Dinalone Keche or these types mandat de Sumchi Dian exercise 3.6 which Tiwa Darwa. Tiwa Tamboti de Niva Sumbaswa. And the Sum di Yaposhin Sunan Pichi Halami Zelakangas Timayans and Rochi. Na Tiwa di Sum di Yapocham and Mati Nema and Motedamasuni Chie, Tiwasumino, Tango China. And Tandabodom and the pair of linear equation Chijo Samatada 2x plus 3y equal to 2 let on the x the y sama gangleva. The reducible form nalola x y sama warriors. Warrior Lamsansi Gam Tambo Drakan assume Joker let 1 by x ra equal to b down 1 by yd equal to q tisa. And you can also a b m n correct into what in Jimji Dingana stumare x the y mayan vegetation the digit is about equation to culture p by 2 plus now q by 3 equal to 2z. P by 3 plus q by 2 equal to 13 by 6 java. Anna Chidarwa, the D theories give a jail lesson. And grand fraction key and its name on wash to deliches on the Izella and Nudu Chimbochire, the Nudu the Maya Chidon Tapish Lavina Tessia. The equation the Gamma and Chatinara q by 3 equal to 2z. And p by 3 plus q by 2 equal to 13 by 6 java. Oh yeah, that is the gang equation denominator the Garedolana 2 down 3 and 2 3 gare 6 and throughout multiply by 6. Samolola 6 into down ra. Oh the Jibujigan 2 3 6 6 into down. The what is Jibuli mother the Rinjiboredoa and 6 in the cut to 1 and then cut down with 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and then 2s are 6, and then cut down the 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 6 cut to are the Richini Mansola Garelana. The equation the Digarbe standard form of 3p plus 2q equal to 6 2s are 12 nimba. Dijala 2p plus 3q equal to 13. Tama elimination method china 1 equation 2. Daring the lama p equals to so the Kari may was in a sort of developer. Daring p de la target tigina, and just p o de la 2 years on and gang de la Kare 2 jur and gang. The O de la 2 doan, gang agare 2 jur, gang de la 3 doan, O de la 3 jur. That day number you get the equation Kanzal or jur Burtarwa. There are 3 2 6p plus 2 2 4p equal to 12 2 sagare 4q round 12 24 chasla. And this is 3 2 6p plus 3 3 9q equal to 39 ra. Oh yeah. That is a p dini gardo sin nija plus chikbar doa. Chikbar in was a cut down to my chetan mazugare sin chatsan lo opposite source. Opposite la du kang chik genetic o marta sang mo joja the opposite plus in minus plus in Yesi minus in a plus so. Samachaswa. The legend I'm going to the P the cut to sa P the mavach user elimination method. Tadilla for the name the thing in a 9 10 5 cube 9 negative chair negative 5 5 cube equal to 39 24 5 10 24 10 15 minus the side nija minus in an to car socho nija low positive socho sign nija chibujala so the q the carchere q equal to 15 upon 5 5 the part when divided q equal to 15 upon 5 over here 5 ones are 5 5 3 therefore modular q the q equal to 3 that is the put q equal to 3 in equation 1 alunity equation 2 alunity so devar and then on to put in equation number 1 alunara 1 the 3p plus 2q the q such a count q equal to 3 lesser and q such a la 3 t and the culture equal to 12 3p equal to plus 6 equal to 12 and 3p 12 minus 6 3p equal to 6 p equal to 6 by 3 cut 3 ones are 3 3 twos are 6 so therefore p equal to 2 condition is p the 2 rata当你忙过去这个的有你想你按个车的一些了嘛就是 p 的 q 车了嘛就提问了个呢 x 的 y 车了是吧 now 按看这个就了1 by x equal to p 来就同学提话的1 by x equal to pt 1 by x t p 个啥子了个 2 t 啦 every number has denominator 1 or 1 t left down right side initial reciprocal chota count the whole k o the count x equal to 1 by 2 all 1 genetic therefore x then so half that the put in dijala 1 by y equal to q in 1 by y equal to q the so 3 raswa 3 the delta 3 by 1 reciprocal china y equal to 1 by 3 and engage in x down y nija gaji answer arwa samasya swe tiwadi tadi chidan yaw jang easily da tadi nibadi dangodi dang tabu yori ni ko twist changes na twist the sheet over tapshi the lagina wa and question d is less on the denominator you x y do the kuni nija jo tinga jo khatam dorkarwa khatam sona the solution chithi narwa 7x wala xy chirwa minus 2y whole kature xy equal to 5 chasa and these are x katurwa solution based on x da x kature y da y katurne equation solve kare 7 by y minus 2 by x equal to 5 the amount the pattern naneri tomshi di tangi chiwa thangu dan jaw so ade chuma andi ni na khator ko ta chamasa swa the equation ni wade chigi kya khatama 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15 and these are also fark kartangre x down x cut down y down y cut down 먼저 가래래 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15 대도와 तदी जिंदी जमतायं मंजू तरिंग तंगी नशींदा करे put रनेरे left शिवा 1 by y equal to 3 mandash nina a 1 by x equal to b lingina ro tilla the equation de garchare 7a minus 2b equal to 5 8a plus 7b equal to 15 तदे equation दिले चना न क्यों मांगची चिशिंगरे elimination चिनेचे substitution चिनेचे cross चिनेचे दिखरां तो तेबरेरा नेमा चिदां शिंसरवा याया तुनी बचास तटिव सुंबदिंदा तटिव सुंबदिति तनाया बोचिदा denominator दे तंगी x y जुबोर तदला x plus y दा x minus y दे इन यान दिखे हमारे लेलो कजोरे 1 by x plus y lady kanzalo kharashaure igi shibajisharwa let be m dojira m jisha 1 by x minus y lajora di kharashaure n labsharwa andi nganso equation alu dadi kharchare di kanza m nimba 10m plus 2n equal to 4 equation tambochar. The next is 15m minus 5n equal to minus 2 equation 2 charta. Tama daring dala galing na chidang kare elimination chayro na khadi mewa sune te wari ine daring n linge kare na m the sign din the opposite do laga chi nyong thurwa keep the count into 5 whole into 2 tai into tanginarwa 10 5s are 50 ra 50m plus 2 5s are 10 and 5 4 20 and 15 into 2 30m minus 10m minus 4 ra oh yeah tadi lagi sampai n di 10n plus the minus cut to ra oh yeah kunyi cut to re andi chala de 50 plus 30 la na ngala 80m equal to 20 ne di na ngala 16 ra oh yeah m equal to 16 upon 80 ra so 8 2s are 16 8 10s are just why yang kya 2 1s are 2 5s are therefore m equal to 1 by 5 less wa oh ya tadi razas tadi jela put in 1 dan 2 kalune di ra 1 na luinda ana m di 10 che m sajala 1 upon 5 plus 2n equal to 4 this are 5 down 10 the cut down 5 2 is 10 ra 2 plus 2n equal to 4 tadila di 2 the version of minus chatura manju ka tiure 2n equal to 4 minus 2 the 2n down jarwa no kenda n the 2 by 2 le di therefore 2 to cut down khali re n equal to 1 therefore tama jula kharare m down n da re x da y da x y da le ya kachore thambu ejum chigyo de ba put chaw hare now 1 by x plus y equal to m le the two da tham should the ejum chigyo de chi na 1 plus x 1 by x plus y equal to m value dikhara so 1 by 5 the reciprocal chaw x plus y equal to 5. This is your third equation. That is equation garchare sumba the chadar. Chiku chikyam prachodila 1x minus y equal to 1 leda. 1 leda 1 by 1 reciprocal china x minus y equal to 1 chaswa. The grand la equation number di kare shiba deda. The tini solve chela method kare pichutandare na kartangilana elimination method pichutangila. Why? Tadi chodu jo jaje number x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1, equation 3 and equation 4. Tadi ni for variable tadi chiku in the cube mane y cut dosa 2x is equal to 6. Tanga di tisun do di doing the thing na tuna cha and 2x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 2, which means x equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 3. That's the x transfer. Y put in 3, 4 3 3 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus 3, y equal to 2. Therefore, answer D. Since what I'm just watching the way at the bonus question, she was in the word problem. In our question, Dina Kari 2 women, 5 men, and the dog. She's in a little boy and man, girl and woman. And Takanji, Mother need and the two get some over there. Reducible form the Chituade and the Zurich to Tua Langala Katune word problem de la last question the Apollo. Find the time taking by one woman alone to finish the work and also time taking by one man alone next to Tadi and also let the time taking by one woman the level ganza chai the kishore the x chair and dinang she in a quax in a man the y sha ra and the kisi ko nimachila lega khatsu chere na 1 by x re ra that the shading a lelosium kisi lega the ganza chai ra nimanga go na kisi a lega the ganza and the shelter the kisi nimanga na chagu na la teletunga di tubunga down remare le shi nas tubunga down swa teladu nimachi le lega khachu cheto da 1 upon 5 chasa niwa dele chigya khachire 1 upon 5 nima sumba dele 1 upon 5 nima shiva dele 1 upon 5 nima ngawa dele 1 upon 5 chene anjet 5 upon 5 lana 1 lega de ganda sa le nima nga go to nima nga gorgu na 니마치를 가서 꼭 reciprocal 지구도 제상 코거지디 니마치 보모디 니마치를 내가 가서 1 by x theory 다는 시멘디 1 by y theory 삼사서와 다 equation 디다 디니 배주 땅니 디엘을 때 디오들이야 오다다 2 women다 딜레디서 만서 같이오래 2 1 by x라 디 인도 삼바 그냥 가르치는 디고래는 2 by x 같도 디션도라 플러스 5 men 5 by y che and ko nima shil la cha so nima chig la ka chu che re na ana 1 by 4 che ta di chitang di khadu di da de ya po da de 2 into 1 by x plus 5 1 by y equal to 1 upon 4 chitang ne di ra ikiran so to su ti de ma re sha kya chu je che shan di ta di shin condition ni le lo ra 3 women and 6 men la ra to sti ana equation dil chana le lo cha chasare kiran namju gare put chia put pinde chire 1 by x equal to value chilu 1 by y value chilu and equation ni ra na chik che sha mare na chik nimdo chik che o kya chan ro cha so put ra 1 by x equal to dinda a che 1 by y equal to b do chilu ra and dinda diga chere 2a plus 5b equal to 1 by 4 da 3a plus 6b equal to 1 by 3 oh yeah thank you last one right what in the denominator less now the collect of the denominator 4 da samolo kari into tamure 4 into tam see the large share samchaswa the 3 da samolo into 3 chi oh yeah now the into 4 to 8 ra 8a plus 20b equal to 4 the 4 katana 1 ra 3 9a plus 18b equal to 3 katura and the 1 the equation 1 down 2 ra sa that name solve chitura the main twist the shikdan the question for the is reducible from the young's layer chezanti the ochavana to chiche triangular sheet of song